Let's talk about Journeyman Welder exam prep and what it really takes to walk into that exam room with confidence. Whether you've been welding for years or you're coming back to the trade after a break, preparing for this exam can feel a little overwhelming. But here's the good news. The Journeyman exam is built around the real work you already do. It focuses on safety, processes, codes, troubleshooting, and welding techniques, not tricks or confusing theory you've never seen before. Most Journeyman Welder exams include around 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, and you usually get 3.5 to 4 hours to finish. The questions often include diagrams, real-work scenarios, procedure steps, and practical math. You might see topics like filler metal selection, joint preparation, welding symbols, defect identification, and process troubleshooting. The test follows national occupational standards, which means everything you study connects directly to the core skills expected on the job site. Now let's talk preparation. Most welders spend 3 to 6 months studying, especially if it's been a while since they've written an exam. Break your study plan into sections like safety, codes, tools, processes, and math. Don't try to memorize everything at once. Small, consistent study sessions are much easier to manage. If English isn't your first language, spend some time on welding vocabulary, symbols, safety terms, process names, and common instructions. And if you're a visual learner, drawing diagrams or labeling parts can help the information stick. Here's something many welders don't talk about. Almost everyone feels nervous at the beginning. The material isn't the hard part. Getting back into the habit of studying is. So go easy on yourself. Progress is more important than perfection. Now let's look at the career benefits. Passing your Journeyman Welder exam opens the door to higher pay, better job security, and long-term mobility across the United States. It qualifies you for supervisory roles, inspection positions, training opportunities, and even the chance to start your own welding business. Employers and unions often choose journeyman welders for leadership tracks and premium assignments. And in a growing industry that now includes automated systems, smart diagnostics, and advanced materials, certification shows you're serious about quality, safety, and modern skill standards. It's more than a credential, it's a badge of pride. If you're starting your exam prep, remember you don't have to do it alone. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books, explanation-style study resources, and online timed practice tests. They won't guarantee a pass, but they will help you study smarter, stay organized, and practice the way the real exam is structured. You can download everything instantly and review it anywhere, on your phone, tablet, or laptop. And don't forget this, thousands of people take the Journeyman Welder exam every year. Some are new to the US, some haven't written a test in decades, and many are women stepping into the trade and building strong careers. Everyone has a different story, but the same goal. You are not alone. Journeyman Welder exam prep is the first step to greater opportunities, better earnings, and a future you control. With the right preparation, you'll walk into that exam room ready. Your future is in motion, and you've got everything it takes.